In today's video, I will teach you how to generate missing parts of any photo using AI tools. Let's get started. First, launch your browser and go to Photor AI Photo Editor. Then click the Upload button or drag and drop your image into the workspace. You can also test the features using one of Photor's sample images. The best results come from older photos with visible scratches, folds, minor tears, or faded colors. In the left panel, go to AI Tools and scroll down to find the Old Photo Restorer. And here, you'll see two toggles: Photo Restorer, which removes scratches and enhances clarity, and Photo Colorizer, which adds natural color to black and white images. You can enable one or both depending on what your image needs. Then click Start and let the AI analyze and enhance the image. And once done, click Apply to lock the improvements. Now we're going to generate missing parts using the Magic Eraser. Now that the image is cleaner, let's focus on filling the missing part or torn areas. So go back to the AI Tools panel and select the Magic Eraser. This tool uses AI generative fill to reconstruct parts of an image by intelligently replacing selected areas with realistic content. And here, you can choose between two model types: Legacy for more stable general fill, and New Model for sharper, more accurate results. Now let's choose your selection mode. You can use the brush tool to manually paint the damaged area, or use the quick select method, where you can simply click to auto-select defined zones, but it may not work well for irregular tears. So use the brush tool for damaged or torn areas that don't have clearly defined borders. And to use the brush tool, simply select the Add Brush and adjust the brush size and paint over the torn or missing portion. And AI will detect the selection and automatically fill in the area using the context-aware data. Then click Apply when you're satisfied with the result. Then use the Compare button to see the before and after transformation side by side. If further edits are needed, you can repeat the steps or adjust the brightness, color, and sharpness using the Adjust tab. And once you're happy with the result, click Download to save the image to your device. By following these steps, you can bring old or incomplete photos back to life, restoring not just pixels but memories. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.